Hi guys, today I show you how to make the homemade lamb dumpling, tortelli d'agnello. So I'm gonna use the homemade dumpling that in Italy we call tortelli or ravioli, onion, carrots, garlic and celery for the soffritto and for the broth, spring onion, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So let's start from the scratch, how to make the homemade ravioli. Let's chop 15 grams of parsley, 2 or 3 homemade lamb sausages, half cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, and we mix it up. For the skin I'm gonna use the semolina dough. It's just a strong flour with water and salt. I use my fantastic shaker to make the roundy shape for the dumpling. Let's put the filling, get the edge wet for closing, help yourself with a fork. Okay, let's prepare the sauce now, and we add the olive oil, a couple of spoons, garlic, chili flakes. I add a bit of leftover baked lamb leg from last night, black peppercorn, 100 grams of soffritto, and stir fry for 10 minutes. A bit of broth, salt in the boiling water, cook the dumpling for 5-7 minutes more or less, a bit of pasta water, a bit of broth in the bowl, a touch of balsamic vinegar, Parmesan cheese, and the dish is done. Buon appetito!